Hello and welcome to NacFun. In this video we will know about MyZone and its components. First, let's talk about MyZone. So MyZone is your main activity page where you will see all the upload options and everything related to your NacFun account. And first thing we'll talk about is the home page. So click on the home button at the bottom of your page for going to the home page. On top of the page, you will see your followers, the people you are following, and your all-time points earned so far in NacFun. Below that, you can see the player of the month for the previous month. You can check more by clicking on it. After that, we have the top 3 current leaders for this month activities and the prizes announced for this month. Click on them to see the full leaderboard and prizes list for this month. After that, we have the announcement section where you will see the latest announcements for you and the NacFun community. Click on show more button to see all the announcements. After that, the next section has 3 parts in it: featured, InstaFun and testimonial. Featured has all the featured activities listed for you to perform. Watch out for this page to know more about the latest and trending activities and contests. InstaFun section has the latest Instagram battles from our Instagram page. You can click on it and go to the Instagram for voting on the battles. Third tab is testimonial, which has the videos of students, parents and faculties on what they think about the NacFun platform. At last, we have trending and highlight section. Trending section shows us the most trending videos of the day in NacFun. Highlight section shows us the best activities uploaded by the users. Now, for going back to the MyZone section, click on the MyZone button below on the screen. You will go back to the MyZone section. So now we are in the MyZone and we'll see the upload options now. So there are 2 options to upload: NacFun activity and self-created. So first we'll talk about NacFun activity. Here you will have certain instructions for each activity according to which you need to do the performance and upload your response photo or video. In NacFun activity, you will see 3 options: co-curricular, sports and academics, where you will see the list of activities that needs to be uploaded. So to upload an activity, first you need to select an activity of your choice and click on the video or photo icon to see and read the instruction video or photo and the written instructions. Now you perform the activity as per the given instruction and record your video or click your photo as per the requirement. After making the video or photo, click on the upload icon given next to the video or photo and select the video or photo of your performance from your phone's gallery. Select how long you take to practice and perform this activity and click on the upload video or upload photo button. Your activity will be uploaded. Now, self-created option allows you to upload any of your original work as photo or video. There are also 2 ways to upload in self-created: FameZone and publish activity. FameZone is the easiest option to upload your photo or video. Here you can upload your original performance of art, craft, dance, singing, music, poetry, workout, sports, etc. and certificates and awards. To upload your photo or video in FameZone, click on the upload icon and select either the photo or the video option. Select the suitable category for your photo or video. Give a name to your photo or video that you will be selecting. Click on choose file and select how long did you take to practice this activity and upload. Similarly, publish activity allows you to become a publisher and let you publish your own original work as an activity to other users of NacFun. To publish an activity, you need to give it a proper name, description, and crisp and clear instruction as how the others user are going to perform this activity. So to do this, select an option from video or photo, give it a proper name, type a description, write instructions, select your video or and upload. So now we have learned how to upload in NacFun. Now we have learned how upload works in NacFun. Next we will see is the progress report option. Click on that progress icon. So progress report is that place where you see the list of your approved, rejected, pending or deleted entries. Here you can see the points earned, teachers comment, feedback as well. You can use different filters given here to refine your search and find the results more fast. So next is the dashboard option. Dashboard contains your participation information of this month and all time. How many points you have earned, how many activities you have done, what is your rank in various categories, how many prizes you have won so far, and all information is here in the dashboard. It also has the total screen time reduction, parent gift history, upload testimonial option as well. So next is the see uploads option. It has 3 parts in it: my uploads, my following, and Nac feed. So my uploads section has 3 parts: pending, rejected, and approved, where you can see your pending, rejected, and approved uploads. My following will show you the uploads of the people who you are following. You can also search any NacFun user by their username and follow them. Nac feed section has 3 options: trending, highlight, and saved section. Highlight section shows us the best activities uploaded by the users. Trending section shows us the most trending videos of the day in NacFun, and saved section shows us the saved entries. Next part is the About Me section. Click on the gear icon on the top to go to the About Me section. You will get the password update option here, change password. You can also update your information here such as DP, bio, mobile number, email address, school name, etc.